Hi guys, I watched myself on YouTube on Chona's kitchen and I was making banana bread and it was my first time and I think I was like 4 years old and I wanted to recreate it with my apron and my chef's hat because it still fits me and it's very cute and I just wanted to recreate it, so let's get into the video.
Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of.
Welcome to Chona's kitchen. I really miss you guys, but I have no candy. Today we're gonna bake chocolate banana bread. Guys, we need 2 bowls. This one for the wet ingredients and this one for the dry ingredients. We just need to move the little bowl. Guys, now we need 3 bananas that are ripe, very ripe, that are nearly getting rotten, like this. By the way, if you want to watch me 4 years ago of baking banana bread, go on Chona's kitchen to watch it. 하나.
하나.
Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming.
Done. Now let's put it in the oven.
Now, a part of me wants you to see. A part of me hopes that you won't look in the mirror and find me window crying in the car home. I left you a tear.
So the banana bread is all baked and we let it sit for 12 minutes and this is what it looks like. So now we're going to transfer it onto this chopping board. Let's put it on. Oh, that looks so good. Let's try it now. Oh, that slice was very moist. It's still hot on the inside. Look at that, so squishy. Right, let's take a bite. It's so good. We'll have a bite. It's gonna be better and better with cream, but right now without the cream, it's so good. This is my school holiday. It'd be like, bye. This is my 9-year-old self of making banana bread with my apron and my hat.